Are you looking for a way to make money from home, or maybe you're already making chinchin but want to package and sell it like a pro? In this video, I will show you how to make crunchy and healthy chinchin flakes, fried and baked, how to brand and package them beautifully for events or sale. Most importantly, how to smartly sell and monetize it like a real business. This recipe saves cost and looks amazing. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more food business tips. Let's get into it. Watch till the end so as not to miss out on any tips and business strategies. Let's begin by mixing all the dry ingredients. All-purpose flour. Remember to always sift your all-purpose flour. Sugar, salt, black pepper, cinnamon, baking powder. We will be making this recipe in two ways. The first one is this, which we have the black pepper and the cinnamon, while the second recipe is not going to have black pepper and cinnamon. Recipe with the black pepper and cinnamon, we are going to cut it in cubes, while the recipe without black pepper and cinnamon, we will be cutting it in a straight form. Don't forget that this recipe also has the fried chinchin flakes and the baked chinchin flakes. Next is to slowly add the groundnut oil or the melted butter. You can use any of the two. Kindly check out the description box below for both recipes. After combining them well, then slowly add the water until a soft dough is formed. If you want to learn more business strategy tips and tricks, and also if you want to learn more values, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever we drop a new video. This is the same recipe we used, but without cinnamon and black pepper, but all other ingredients are same. Now knead it gently and make sure they are well incorporated and fluffy. Are you loving the recipe? You will find even more in my exclusive cookbook or ebook, a complete guide that covers everything from delicious meals and baking secrets to event planning and natural hair growth solution, plus my online classes which guides you step by step. So check out the description box below to grab your ebook or cookbook, or you can also sign up for a class. Let's level up together. So click on the link in the description box below. Then roll it out very thin and then cut into tiny flakes. We have a video on how to make the best healthy chinchin flakes at home without butter and egg. So check out the link in the description box below to watch the video. While this is the chinchin dough with the cinnamon and black pepper. For baking, spread some oil on your baking sheet and then bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes, flipping halfway. Also, separate the dough that are joined together and then you sprinkle some oil or rub in some oil on top of the dough. Of course, this is baking, so they will definitely not bake evenly like the fried chinchin. So here is the fried chinchin. For frying, deep fry until golden and crunchy. Allow the chinchin to drain before packaging or sealing it. That is it. Your delicious chinchin flakes is ready. Next, let's dress it up. Let's check out packaging and branding. Packaging and branding is what makes people trust your product even before tasting it. Also, your packaging should scream professional even if you are just starting. This is your first impression. For packaging, use resealable pouches, clear jars or plastic containers. Make sure it is food safe, clean and attractive. You can also use clear nylon just like this, depending on the sizes. Clear plastic containers just like this. Disposable cups just like this, especially for events or occasion. This is very nice and attractive to use as a souvenir. While for branding, print a sticker or label with your brand name, flavor, e.g. spicy chinchin flakes or baked chinchin, expiry date, ingredients and contact info just like that. And then you can attach it to your packaging material. Quickly, let's package this chinchin flakes to be used as a souvenir at an event. Next is monetizing and pricing. Let's talk about business. How do you make money from chinchin flakes? Start by calculating your cost price, that is ingredients plus packaging plus fuel plus labor. Then add your markup. Check out the description box below. There you're going to find some examples on how to cost the prices of your chinchin flakes. Also, offer bundle deals for parties, souvenirs and supermarkets. Next is marketing and selling. Now that you have made your chinchin packaged beautifully, now let's sell the chinchin flakes. Start with your WhatsApp status, Facebook and Instagram. Post pictures, behind the scenes clips and packaging videos. Don't forget to use catchy captions like "sell at schools, church events, parties, supermarkets." You can use that will also get attention of your audience. Also, online marketplaces like Jumia or Instagram shops. Here is a bonus tip. Offer discount for bulk orders and custom branding for souvenirs or events. Your chinchin flakes can be sold in this kind of bulky or jumbo package. Just do your estimation and then sell out. You can package it like this for events, occasions, for school parties, church events, even supermarkets as souvenirs and so on. Now you know how to make, package and sell both fried and baked chinchin flakes. Whether you're looking for side income or starting a full business, this snack can open real doors for you. If you learn something new, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more food business tips. Do you want a full pricing breakdown, label template or vendor recommendation? Leave a comment below and I will respond. Also, let me know in the comments below, which do you prefer, the fried chinchin flakes or the baked chinchin flakes, or the chinchin flakes with cinnamon and black pepper, or chinchin flakes without cinnamon and black pepper? Let us know in the comments below. Also, turn on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever we drop a new video. You can also follow us on our display social media handles. Until next time, keep cooking, keep branding and keep growing your business.